Ever wanted to earn while you play? Well, it's possible. Stay tuned to find out how. Welcome to the intriguing world of online strategy games, a realm where not just your gaming skills but your strategic acumen can earn you real cash. Curious? Of course you are. We're about to explore 15 of the best strategy games out there that you can monetize. So buckle up, get your game face on, and prepare for a thrilling journey. So let's dive into the world of strategic games that you can monetize. Kicking off our list at number 15, we have Clash of Clans, a wildly popular mobile strategy game. Players are tasked with building their own village, training troops, and battling others for resources. With in-game purchases and the ability to join or create clans, monetizing your gameplay is a breeze. At number 14, we have StarCraft 2. This legendary real-time strategy game is a staple in the esports world. It's all about strategic decisions, managing resources, and outsmarting your opponent. Plus, with its strong esports presence, there are plenty of opportunities to monetize your gameplay through tournaments and streaming. And at number 13, we find Civilization 6. In this turn-based strategy game, players lead a civilization from the Stone Age to the Information Age. With its rich strategic elements and the potential for in-game purchases, making money while playing is more than possible. Moving on to the next set of games, at number 12, we have Epic Battle Simulator. This game is a fascinating blend of warfare and strategy, where you can command your own army of soldiers. The key to success? Smart tactics and clever placement of your troops. Plus, you can earn real money by participating in tournaments and challenges. Moving on to number 11, Cryptic Conjure. In this magical world, you're a wizard crafting powerful spells to defeat your enemies. The game's unique aspect is its blockchain-based system, allowing you to own and trade rare artifacts for real-world currency. And at number 10, we've got Roller Coaster Tycoon. This classic strategy game lets you build and manage your own amusement park. The fun part is designing the most thrilling rides while ensuring your park's profitability. The game's premium features offer opportunities to earn in-game currency that can be converted into real money. Let's check out the next two games that offer both fun and monetary rewards. Coming in at number 9 is a game that's all about the thrill of the chase, Bounty Hunter Blitz. This strategy game demands quick thinking and even quicker reflexes. As you hunt down your targets across vast virtual landscapes, you'll need to plan your moves wisely to outwit rival players and claim your bounty. But the real kicker? The better your strategies, the bigger your earnings. Next up in 8th place, we have Estate Tycoon. If you ever fancied yourself a virtual real estate mogul, then this game is for you. You'll be buying, selling, and upgrading properties across the game's expansive world. The key is to strategize your investments to maximize profits. And the best part? The virtual currency can be cashed out for real-world money. These games not only offer a deep and engaging strategic experience, but also a unique opportunity to monetize your gameplay. Are you ready for our top 7? Let's go! Breaking into our top 7, we have a game that shrewdly blends real-time tactics with strategic planning, Rise of Nations. This game stands out for its ability to transport you through the ages of history, all while you're building and expanding your civilization. And the best part, you can monetize your gameplay through streaming and hosting tournaments. Sliding into the 6th spot, we find StarCraft 2. This game is a paragon of strategic depth and intricate gameplay, offering you not just one, but 3 unique races to play and master. Monetization opportunities abound, from participating in esports competitions to creating and selling in-game content. At number 5, we have Civilization 6. This game takes strategy to a new level, offering a richly detailed world where every decision matters. You can make money by offering your strategic insights through paid coaching or by streaming your playthroughs. Now, let's move on to our top 4 strategy games that you can earn from. At number 4, we have the immersive world of StarCraft 2. This game requires strategic prowess and offers an opportunity to earn through its vibrant esports scene. You'll need to outmaneuver your opponents in real time and make split-second decisions that could mean victory or defeat. Sliding into the 3rd spot is Civilization 6. This turn-based strategy game allows you to build an empire that stands the test of time. You can monetize your gameplay by streaming, as audiences love watching the rise and fall of great civilizations. Now, on to the 2nd place, Dota 2. This multiplayer online battle arena game is not just about fast reflexes, but also about the strategic choices you make. With its prominent place in esports and the possibility of winning cash prizes in tournaments, monetizing Dota 2 gameplay is a reality for many. And now, for the moment you've all been waiting for, our top strategy game that can be monetized is... And finally, at number 1, we have the strategy game that's been making waves in the gaming world. The crown jewel, the creme de la creme, the piece de resistance. We're talking about none other than... Name of the game. This game has taken the strategic gaming landscape by storm, and for good reason. It combines the thrill of real-time strategy with the depth of a well-crafted storyline, creating an immersive gaming experience that keeps players hooked for hours on end. But it's not just about the fun factor. This game also offers incredible earning potential. With its innovative monetization model, it allows players to earn real-world profits while enjoying the game. It's a win-win situation that sets this game apart from its competitors. This game truly embodies the perfect blend of strategy, enjoyment, and profitability. So, there you have it, the top 15 strategy games you can earn from while playing. That wraps up our list of the top 15 strategy games you can monetize. From intricate world building to intense combat scenarios, these gems offer not only hours of thrilling gameplay, but also the enticing prospect of earning while you're having fun. Just imagine, your love for gaming could turn into a profitable venture. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thanks for watching and happy gaming!